Good morning. We're waiting for our coffee. It's not even ready yet. So we're discussing what we're going to get done today. As you can see, we're getting to a point of almost organized in here. I'm going to start working on screwing in the rest of Justin's boards on his bunkie. Jason, you are going to, I forget what you said now.
Work on that water pump.
Oh, the water pump that kind of messed up over the last couple of weeks in the shower. And making
building for the generator.
Didn't get to building the shelters, but have a cool idea for them.
Right. Some sort of shelter for the generator, probably more important first, and then the sawmill if we get to it. All right, so stay tuned. Going with an easy breakfast this morning. I say easy, but I mean, these are homemade because we've been slacking this morning and just watching YouTube stuff. Our YouTube this morning is, what's their names? Off Grid Life, and they're from BC.
Mm-hmm.
They're pretty fun to watch too. We found them on Jay and Jen, and I like watching them. There they are. I don't know if you remember last week, this beautiful tree by Ben's bunkie is already losing leaves now. Oh my gosh, look at all the leaves. Look at this. So we are September 9th now, and this beautiful tree is still beautiful, but has lost so many leaves already. Do you see what I see? I see snacks. Yum. So Jason's going to help me get set up here. We're going to use the chalk lines just to make sure I'm putting them in the right spots, and then he can go work on these new solar panels we got. I'm going to just drill away here.
You'll notice a lot of portions of our videos are muted and replaced with music. That is because we work better with our music playing. However, because of copyright laws, we can't have the music in our videos. So here you go. Please enjoy some YouTube and copyright approved music.
Going to drill a hole in for the wire. I put the solar panel up, drilled a hole in the floor, brought the line through the floor to the charge controller to the battery to the inverter, 400 watt inverter, which will go on the wall anywhere around here. Wherever Aaron wants it, I'm just going to set it up for now, but it's going to go like somewhere.
Yeah, well, he's going to get a different type. Not that one, right?
I'm not getting this.
No, but you're just doing it to see if it's going to work.
Right.
I see something's working because I see there's a light on that charge controller
Yeah,
there.
and it's charging.
So that means it's charging. It's not actually ready to use yet.
No, it says charging 12 volt. It's not full yet.
Well, I gotta remember.
This should be getting warm. Yeah, it's getting a little warm.
Is it supposed to get warm?
Yep.
Okay.
And this will charge this battery to keep this stuff going. So I have to get a lead. I gotta find some of that wire that I had.
Got it maybe working now? I'm not sure. I heard something. Let's see. What's going on? I heard a beep. Solar light.
So this is some solar. Now we can put one of these on the shower, keep that battery charged up so we can shower. So that's where the next one's going.
Huh, maybe it'll work. It's not really intended for... Do you want me to pour that in? Oh, you're gonna just... Okay. I mean, there's worse things. Not intended for water, but we'll see. See what happens here. Well, we made good progress with the roof on Justin's bunkie, but unfortunately, the tool Jason needed to cut the end pieces was in the truck and we forgot it. There's always next weekend. Toby's gonna run him off, or if they're gonna be cool, we'll see what happens. Let's try. He's a good boy, and Thor's a good boy too. Oh, he... See, every other... no. Not his back legs, though. Be nice. Good boy. No, he's good. He's good. He listens. He listens. So, we're over at Mike's because the eaves troughs need an adjustment, I think. So, oh, jeez. So, the eaves troughs need adjustment, and Mike was a little worried about getting up on the ladder, so Jason's up there doing it for him. Being a goofball, shaking it up. Hey, Toby, get the shoe. Go get the shoe. Where is it? Why'd you take Jason's shoe? Get the shoe. Go bring it back. You go bring it back. You go bring it back now. Go bring it back to Jason. There you go. Go bring it back. Good boy. Oh, that's a good boy.
Thank you, Toby.
He stole it, but then he brought it back. Good boy. What a sweetheart. Going to take the tractor on the trails and try and clean some of it up because it's really overgrown right now. So he's just putting the scraper blade on, and I'm just going to follow along behind. And we're going to bring the chainsaw because hoping to get rid of that Widowmaker back there. We'll see how it goes. See how the blade helps clean up some of the bog trail because the grass is really long out there. Just might make it a little bit nicer to walk here when the grass isn't so long. Even just simply driving on it with the ATVs is usually a good idea, but we just haven't really had time. We've been so busy with all our projects. Wow, this is great. Love it. That's a pretty flower though. This helps. Been over here with the tractor in a long time. I'm making a nice trail.
Maybe I should have used your saw.
Yeah, so we're gonna put the camera up here. Moved it from a spot that wasn't getting much action closer to the cabin. We're about a kilometer back here from the cabin. We have cameras kind of all throughout, but I haven't put one here yet, so interested to see. Good. This is eventually going to be a better bridge. There we go. We got to deal with the Widowmaker. Cut her up. Gonna cut this girl up. Found a tool, not the proper tools, but it'll work, he said, to get his chainsaw back together.
I forgot to bring the tool.
Yeah. And like I said, like if it didn't work, like we could still push this out of the way and go on with our day, but
A pair of vice grips will get you out of a lot of jams. It's a hammer, it's pliers, it's vice grips, it's
all better.
There you go.
There you go. It's there forever now. I'm gonna cut this big dead tree, so we're gonna make a bench out of it. Going. Out of the way.
Exactly where I want it to have.
Nice. Little bench. We're gonna have two benches.
We can shim it and diver it.
Oh yeah. Nice. Those are the feets. Yeah, that thing was heavier than it looked.
Just need you to lift that end up again.
Where are we going to?
Just on top of this. Okay. I'll get this.
Okay, I'm
You
just
can put that
holding
in.
it. Hold it.
Ready?
Not really.
Don't worry about my fingers.
Okay, there's the land on here. I can put it down. Put it up, kind of.
Yep.
So,
Yep. Circle.
nice! Isn't that cute? I can't let go, it's just going to tumble down.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get some rocks.
Go find some rocks. I'll just hang out here.
That way.
Okay.
Get rocks.
What about some broken branches for now to just shove under there or something? See? What do you guys think? Is that cool? I love it. Real rustic. We needed a bench down here though, because coming down here and then trying to find somewhere comfortable to sit is near impossible, because there's nowhere comfortable, because it's all rock and jagged stuff and hills. And find any? I'm gonna go look for some rocks too. I'm gonna help him.
I built it for you.
Thank you. It's very nice. Beautiful. Very comfy.
There's a dead tree anyway.
Yeah. Look how beautiful this view is. I gotta show you guys this view. This is amazing. This is the view from our bench. That is cool. Our little bench on Mercer Lake on Crown Land. Just steps away from our property over there. You alright there, or you need a hand?
I'm good.
Okay. It's not as heavy as this one here. Still tricky on the hill though. And then this one's gonna go right by the water.
You bring the drill if you can?
I am going to, yes. I was just getting this. So he's gonna be putting that right down by the water. Maybe you can fish off of it. Don't fall backwards. Jeez, that'll be a tricky fall.
What an absolutely gorgeous day. We didn't want to leave, but still had a few things to do before we head home. Get to it.
We can reuse these screws.
Okay, you want me to help you? We're gonna take this metal back. Got all the screws out, fairly easy actually. Can use this metal, maybe for a woodshed or something. We'd be running. There, perfect. That one's a little mangled, but whatever.
No, it's no big deal.
No big deal. Watch, there is a rusty screw sticking out of it, so just be careful.
Straighten it up and reuse it.
Yeah. Cool. All right, let's bring her back. Let's see what happens. I don't know if we're gonna get this all through the bush. Might get caught up on stuff. These are some pretty cool ladders from that little hunt camp they had here. Made it through the tricky spot. Now we gotta go across the bog. I think we'll be fine. Perfect. So we're just about ready to go. We're leaving a lot later than we normally would, but I finally got some stuff a little bit better organized, not 100% the way we want it. Still got that old pine tongue groove up there that Aaron's going to use in his bunkie. Got our curio cabinet moved back over. We just got to, because when we moved here, this stove was kind of put at a different spot from where they put the hole. It had this angled stovepipe, so we just got to get another straight pipe there. And yeah, I don't know, cover this up because I don't know, the cupboards they had here are not great. We're eventually going to put nicer stuff in, but yeah, it's coming along, looking a little better. This thing has got all the stuff that was kind of out and about all over the place. And we still got to figure out the wiring, but yeah, looking a little bit better, a little bit more organized. I feel a little better. Right, Thor? And then, yeah, we got to get going because it's like 5 o'clock. Hey?
Yeah.
All right, guys. See you next week. Thor's ready to go in the car. You ready to go, buddy? Is it time to go? I don't want to go. Do you want to go? I don't. Oh, you don't want to go. You really want to go? I don't want to go. Bye, guys.